Welcome back to the Homestead, everyone. I've been doing a lot of work off camera and I want to get everyone caught up. So right here's the cabin, and right across the parking area here is where I had that big pile of logs. Well, I've been moving them all. I've been cutting them into approximately 20-foot lengths and moving them all way down there. I think you can see those through the trees. And the reason I'm doing that is I have a bulldozer coming tomorrow, and all this topsoil all through here, all those piles and everything, all this topsoil over even under where my trailer is, my big pile and stuff, it's all getting pushed down over that way. So I need to get these logs moved out of here for the bulldozer, and also I need to get my trailer moved out. I'm actually going to go and park it at a neighbor's property for the weekend. So when the bulldozer shows up, I can get all this moved out. So let's get busy moving these last few logs I have to move. I hear something just pulled up. Let's go down and see what it is. Do you see it over through the trees? It's a bulldozer. The first project for today is to get all these logs moved down there by all the other ones. Now that I have all the wood moved, the next project is I need to build a ramp right here so I can back my F-350 up to this trailer because I'm gonna move it over to my neighbors right over there. It's gonna sit there for the weekend because I got a bulldozer here on site. It just showed up a few minutes ago. And I'm gonna bulldoze all this overburden all through here, all over there, that hill. It's all getting pushed down over that way. So let's get busy and get a ramp built for my trailer so I can move it. I'm not sure how much of that I was able to record. The GoPro got too hot and automatically shut off. I guess it's an issue with GoPros, but anyways, let me show you what I got done here. I got a pretty nice ramp. It's pretty wide. It's more than wide enough for a dually pickup truck, so that's all I need. And from this angle, you can see it's a nice gradual slope down, and then I can take it right out that way. So let's get the truck warmed up and get it over here to get this moved. I got it pretty well lined up. I think it'll slide on there, but I got a problem. I can't go low enough because I had it flat when I put it here. So now the tongue of the trailer is too high. I can't get it to go down low enough. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is get the excavator over here with a chain, pick up on the front and remove some of these blocks underneath. Then I can set it back down. So let's get this done. I've never done anything like this before. I hope it turns out, and I hope I don't ruin my trailer or my excavator or anything, but let's give it a shot. I'm gonna try to pick this up just a hair so I can pull a couple of those blocks out. And then I can set the trailer back down, just straight back down. So let's cross our fingers and hope this works. If it's up off the blocks, let me pull a few of these out. I can't believe that worked. Let's get this unhooked and get the truck backed up here. I was a little off on that one. She's hooked up. Let's get it over to the neighbors. I'll catch back up with you guys after I come back. She's moved. Well, I don't think I'm gonna get it much done this weekend. The bulldozer I rented, it seems to be having issues. Every time I start to push a little bit of loose dirt, it just bogs down to the point where it's barely moving. The engine is still revving good, but there's like no power to the tracks, and I'm talking loose dirt, like this stuff in through here that I just put in there with the excavator. And also other times I'll be like going backwards in like third gear, full speed, and it's barely moving. I'll put it in neutral, then I'll put it in reverse again, and it takes off like 90 mile an hour, it seems like, but that's an exaggeration, but it takes off really fast. So something's going on with the gears or something in the bulldozer. So I called. Unfortunately, they're closed on Saturday and Sunday. Luckily, my buddy works at the rental place. I called and left a message with him. Hopefully he'll get back to me and let me know what I should do. I'll catch back up with you guys here in a little while.
Insert, spinning out to Fox Island and using train patrols on Fox Island in freaking February, which is great.
The bulldozer is back in business. My friend who works at the rental company stopped by and he jumped on it, used it for a little while, and said everything was working correctly. And then he gave me some pointers on what I was doing wrong. The main thing was, on this type of bulldozer, you got to have the throttle all the way up. And I was only going about halfway or 3/4 way. He said always have the throttle all the way up and it'll run the way it's supposed to. So I've started doing a little bit of work here, pushing some of the dirt. He did a little bit to confirm it was working right. Then I jumped on it. I've been doing a little bit. So let's get back to using the bulldozer and clearing this land. I didn't want to take down these 4 really nice birch trees, but they're in the way of my turnaround where you can pull through the garage and then go out around the end of the building. They were right in the way. Plus, I got 2 shipping containers coming this coming week, and they're gonna sit right in this area. And my neighbor's here working the bulldozer for me for a little while. He enjoys doing dirt work and stuff and wanted some time on a bulldozer, so I'm like, come over, you can run it for a while. I can get this other stuff done. So let me get this cut up and I'll catch back up with you guys. It's the next morning and it's day 2 of the bulldozer rental. So let's get her warmed up so we can get to work. We'll leave it warm up a little while and we'll come back in 5 or 10 minutes. The bulldozer has been running for about 10 minutes or so, so let's put her to work. Just got done eating lunch. Let me show you what I've gotten done so far. All through here was those big piles of dirt. They're all gone now. And they're pushed way over there. Way over there. Got a plane flying up there. Let's get back to work. We're wasting daylight. And there she goes. And this is where I'm gonna end the video. See you on the next one.